So welcome back to a new video. In today's video we're taking a look at these mouse cases for the iPhone 13 Pro, which are just super. If you remember, or if you've watched my previous videos, the previous video I talked about the Mouse Evolution case, which is the brand new one that just came out on pre-order, as well as the universal mount, the clips in the back, and the bike holder, which is a direct competition to Quad Lock. So if you're interested in that, make sure to go check out that video after you've watched this one, of course. So let's talk about these cases. These are the Limitless 4.0 cases. We're going to go through it all: the buttons, the thickness, the design, MagSafe capabilities, wireless charging, drop protection, and of course price. And big one for price, we're going to have a nice little surprise for you, aka you being my viewers, later on in the video. So keep your ears open for that. So without waiting any longer, let's get that intro started. Right, now that the intro's out of the way, if it's your first time here, remember, follow me on my other socials, so my Instagram and my Twitter, just because I do post more stuff on there and more behind the scenes stuff, so you get to see more of what my channel's about, as well as, why not, you get to see more of me. Happy days. Let's talk about the Limitless 4.0. Cheeky little shout out to MrHtech for liking my reel. If you haven't watched this content, you definitely should. I'll drop a link in the description box. Makes great videos, and a good friend of mine. So the Limitless 4.0 case, as you can see, the thickness of these cases, I can't even say thickness because they're not even thick. If you compare them to the Tactile cases that I've had previously reviewed, you would probably say they're thick because the Tactile cases are super thin. However, these are a bit thicker than them for a reason. They offer very good drop protection, as well as, don't they just look super nice? Now, this doesn't come with the case, this little white stone dome glass here. This is what I put on there separately. It's like a metal camera protector that goes around the lenses, doesn't cover the lenses, but I thought it looked quite good with the case, especially because of the contrast of the bamboo and the black. Anything you do see in this video, just remember, links will be in the description box below, and like I said, keep an eye out for that cheeky discount that's coming up. Pop this closer to the microphone and press the button so you can actually hear what they sound like. So if you hear that, you can hear that the mouse buttons are very tactile. Not only that, you do get a lot of clearance. So if we took a look at the mute toggle button switch, you can see very open, which is always good. And then the charging port, speakers and microphone, also very open. Something you'll notice is mouse haven't resorted to just make a clear cut. They've actually tapered it inwards, which is something small that not everyone's going to notice, but they've gone out of their way to add that little feature in there. And yes, before you ask, the case is MagSafe compatible. Of course it is. We love a bit of MagSafe. Now I'm going to put this on silent just to avoid any more bings and bongs coming up on the microphone. The design, as you can see, very nice. Also comes in, like I said, the leather and the aramid fiber one. All depends on your liking. It also comes in walnut and speckled fabric. And these aren't just stickers in the back. These are actual real bamboo, real leather, real fiber, real walnut, and I guess real speckled fabric. But anyway, you probably know that I review a lot of cases if you looked at my channel. Not just for the iPhone 13 Pro, but at the moment it has been majority iPhone 13 Pro. And I have to say, this is my best case yet. For the main factors, like I said, it's slim, it's very protective, has MagSafe in, because I love a bit of MagSafe, and it just looks cool. Now, I know I mentioned the drop protection earlier on in the video. I haven't personally dropped it. I've been using it for about a month. Looks brand new, like the day I took it out of the box. So that's something. But here's a few things. Mouse, I've actually dropped it from a air balloon onto straight concrete. The phone survived. The mouse case has been dropped from space. Phone survived. Mr. Who's the Boss dropped a mouse case out of a helicopter at 1,200 feet. Phone survived. The phone without the case on didn't survive. Keep that in mind. If you check the description box below, Mouse have been kind enough to actually give you a cheeky little discount to the viewers. So if you've ever thought about getting a mouse case but you thought, it's a bit too expensive, now's the time to do it. You won't regret it. I can definitely tell you, you will not regret getting this case for your phone. There's one thing I would change, and I think Mous are onto it, and they've already started improving. If you look on the sides, you can see there's no grip. The back's a bit flat as well. So that's one thing this case is missing. It's a little bit of grip. I mean, it's not super slippery by any means, but it could do with some grip. However, this is why I say that Mous are onto it. If we look at the Evolution case that I just reviewed previous to this video, you can see on the sides they've added this grip section which looks and feels very good, and it does offer a lot of grip for the side of the case, as well as the cool looking teal buttons, but don't worry about them. Now imagine this is the Limitless 4.0. Now maybe we can hope that Limitless 5.0 or 6.0 cases come with this as well, and then it'll be perfect. So imagine this case with this grip. It's just perfection. And I mean, as well as cases, they do sell other stuff. We've got a Mous MagSafe charger here, and then Mous MagSafe card holder that holds 2 cards. I mean, doesn't that look nice? And like I said, the discount code I'm offering you can be used on any Mous products on their website. I think it's whether it be on sale or not, it doesn't matter. So keep that in mind. If you are interested, go and check it out. As well as anything that's not Mous, I'm still going to link for you down below so you can grab it for yourself. There might be affiliate links, so bear that in mind. It doesn't cost you anything. If anything, it's saving you money, but it is helping out the channel and helping out me expand the channel to a greater audience. Another thing that helps me expand the channel to a greater audience is if you press that like button below if you enjoyed the video, and if you comment down below what case you're using at the minute and what you think of the Mous cases. If you've made it this far in the video, comment Mous rules, and we'll see if we can maybe potentially get a giveaway on the channel for one of these cases for a lucky viewer. So the inside of this case has got all around something called Aero Shock, which is designed to absorb the shock. As you can see down there, it says Aero Shock. Yeah, it's designed to absorb the shock around if your phone gets dropped and avoid spreading it into the actual device, which will in return protect it against cracking, etc, etc. These cases provide very strong magnification on the back with the MagSafe charger. Did I just say magnification? I think I'm starting to make words up now. I love a bit of MagSafe. It's just so much more convenient than having to plug the cable in every single time. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, like I said, like it, share it to your friends, leave a comment down below, say hello, and if you really liked it, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.